Yeah, so this is what, like I said before, this is what keeps these two panels together. This thing here, it's right in the middle, and you just pull it. Teresa's already pulled the outside one. There's one here, one on the outside. So you just give it a good pull, and hopefully it doesn't break like it just did, but oh yeah, that's right. I put a little cut mark there. But this is horrendous. And it's all soaked. All over here too. You can see the way the linkages and things on this went. This is why we just had to get rid of it, guys. So let me just repurchase this again, and I'll show you the way she pulls out. Oh yeah. Okay, so this is the strip right here. There. And you can see the split in the window right in there. Now, technically, this middle window should now pull out. So, because I don't have a functioning, you know, I have to see. Therese has it. Bless her heart.
Hoo-yah!
Cave woman.
Oh, even the window stinks.
Here's this. Look.
Hang on while I pull a nail out. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, not so nice, is it? Okay, well, technically I should be able to boot this, and out she comes. Here, hon, can you take this camera?
My hands are all dirty, honey.
Okay. Oh, yes.
Just let me have it this way. Let's close this. That's good. Oh, it's all on the top. It's silicone.
All right. Well, I got to put you guys down while I give Teresa a hand here. There it is.
Ouch, Mama. You can't do that one-handed, honey.
No, I can't. Can you do it one-handed? Whoops, daisy. Out she goes.
It's out.
It's out.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, okay, so this is how bad it is when you have an actual plant growing in your windowsill. No. So, oh my God.
Hang on, I'll pull this stuff first.
Don't get it under your nails, honey. Yuck.
Too late.
Oh well, put you on pause here for a second. We'll get a tool to help pry that up. I would say all of this, the windows and everything, was put in about 30 to 40 years ago.
And this is why you don't use silicone around your windows.
Why?
Doesn't work.
Well, especially when it gets wet. Oh, what did he do here? That's a pretty thin nail.
Woo! We gotta frame that. Don't get under your nails, honey.
Not too late.
Ruggy pants.
What is this, silicone?
I don't know.
Good Lord, it is.
Oh, it's another nail. Whee!
She went boing. All right, so what I've started to do, you've all seen this. It looked just like the other window. That's all brand new frame, and so I just started putting in my 2x6 studs because we are going to insulate this with the insulation that takes 2x6 for 2x6 studs. I forget what it's called, R30 or something, R20, there's R20, R30.
Or something.
R something,
We'll
bats.
figure it out.
So the 2x6 studs have to continue along there. And then I run the wiring for the hydro right through them after all of this has been framed to the sister of that window there. So essentially the same size as this one. And I think it's 3 feet wide by 4 feet tall. Yes. So this is an update of what Therese and Steve in Southern Ontario are up to.
On this beautiful sunny day.
And it's a Wednesday.
Yes, it is Wednesday.
May, April,
5th, 6th.
May 5th or 6th, yes. The days are all the same to us, guys. Okay, we carry on. Thanks for tagging along once again with Therese and Steve in Southern Ontario. And we got more tearing out to do and studding and, well, you know how it goes. Now, does that chunk of wood look okay?
Nope.
Oh, yeah. So even the wood underneath this 2x6 all got to be removed. Yeah.
$1,000,000, 8 strong guys, and a coffee.
That's Tristan.
What's up?
Asking. Oh, a can of spray foam.
Oh, spray foam.
Low expansion. Thank you. That's Tristan, our neighbor. We look out for each other out here. That's his house over there.
You have to look out for each other.
We do. We try to do our best. He looks out after us, as you just saw, in many other ways too. All right, I was ending this, and then Tristan said hi. Well, there we go. That's what we got done so far. We gutted out all that extra wood, and got most of the framing done. I just got to put another couple right over here, over there, on the left there, and a few up top, and we'll be done. So we're not really a tutorial channel. There's lots of channels that do that. We're just a couple of senior citizens trying to do our best. Yeah. So if you enjoy the content, then that's great. Glad to have you along. I do not have my gimbal that went for a dump. The battery acted up, and so it just pissed me off. So I've got one on order, but in case you're wondering about the video quality. Anyways, for Teresa and Steve, thank you very much for hanging in there again. See ya, everybody. That ends this one.